If you give me 12 months of discipline, I will give you a 6-figure wholesaling business. No theory, no fluff, just the exact steps to take month after month to build a 0 to consistent 6 figures a year wholesaling business. If you're somebody that wants to make 5 figures a month, right? 10, 20, 30 grand a month, it is 100% possible taking these steps. Now, you don't need money. You don't need a real estate license. You just need proper execution. How's it going, guys? My name's Zach Ginn. I've built an 8-figure wholesaling real estate business in the past 9 years, and I'm here to teach you today how to make 6 figures from nothing in wholesaling real estate. Now, if you want to learn wholesaling real estate right, you just got to understand the fundamentals. It's like being that old basketball coach. The fundamentals, son! And to learn the fundamentals, I recommend you go through my entire wholesaling real estate course. It's called freewholesaling.com, and it's actually the only free wholesaling course that has no fluff and completely action-packed. In there, you're going to get my scripts, my downloads, my free CRMs, and my free software so you can start marketing and dealing with your leads. Now, what I would probably recommend for you is when you go through the course, you're going to figure out if you need a virtual market, a local market, but really just pick whatever, if you're going local or virtual, right? But just picking to one simple market is all you need. And my secret tips for picking a really good wholesaling market is pretty simple, right? If people are making 6 figures in that market, you can make 6 figures in that market. The way I've always kind of looked at wholesaling is monkey see, monkey do. So I always done it because I love fishing. I've done it my entire life, Rick too. But if you're fishing and you go to a lake and you see these 3 kids who are like 7 years old and they got the Walmart rod and they're just catching fish all day, it's like, well, I know for a fact if I get kind of good fishing or decent, I can be just as good as them, and they're doing pretty good right now, so I want to be just like them. Versus a lake where you find like the expert professional, there's 10 fishermen everywhere and they don't catch anything for a year straight. It's like, I mean, if I get really good skills with all good equipment, I mean, I could fail like them. Now, like every fishing lake's different, right? Maybe there's guys out here who are really good and people that suck, but overall, if someone who's just not that skilled in wholesaling is making 6 figures in a market, it's not like you're gonna fail in that market, or it's not gonna be like, oh, the market's the reason why you suck. I always like to think of Houston, Texas like this because it's such a big market. A lot of people think it's super saturated, but honestly, there's so many properties. It's so massive. There's so many people making millions of dollars in that market. It's never going to be the market being the reason why you suck in this market. I always describe this as Atlanta, Macon, Georgia, even like Fayetteville, North Carolina. Like, you can't blame the market in those situations. They're great wholesaling markets. So when it comes to pulling a list, I'm highly going to recommend you pull only free list from the government, right? So there's going to be probates, code violations, fire damage properties, pre-foreclosures, right? Drawing for dollars, like these don't cost anything. Don't pay for anything, especially starting out. Highly, really big on that. Now, I'm big on paying for things once you start making money because you're reinvesting in the business. But first, let's just do the free stuff, right? I mean, some people like to skip the line and just get the best stuff in the beginning, get the right tools. But honestly, if you're broke, you don't really have that option, so no big deal. Free government list is really what I'm going to recommend starting out. Now, you don't need any crazy paid systems. Just use your dang phone, use the free CRM we have at freewholesaling.com, and stick to our free dialer on Google Voice. And the point is, you just start talking to motivated sellers. So if you want to go skip trace them, I have 2 amazing websites. They're called Cyber Background Checks and TruePeopleSearch.com, and they're the best websites for finding people's phone numbers that cost no money at all. So your goal is to make at least 100 cold calls a day. Now, you might want to use Google Voice to go text these sellers too, but either texting or calling, that's all you really got to do, and we teach it at freewholesaling.com. But a good goal is about 100 cold calls a day. Doing that for a month straight, you're going to land a wholesaling deal. And if you're reverse drawing for dollars, putting sticky notes on properties and doing digital banded signs and maybe even email blasting, using the free email blasting software in freewholesaling.com, you're going to be on the right path for success. Now, by month 2, you should be very close to your first contract, or already have it done. But the point is, you are building yourself up. You're staying consistent. You're not making a logo. You're not making sexy, fancy headshots. You're putting your head down. You're calling. You're texting. You're getting to the work. No, being in some special mentorship program or community is not going to be the difference. You doing the work is going to be the difference for your success. Now, kind of get into month 3, you should get your first deal under contract. It should be closed. You should find your cash buyer, right? Now, if you need any help finding cash buyers for free, freewholesaling.com, shocker, we'll help you out. But just go into Zillow's for rent section, asking AI, is JVing with somebody in any of our communities. You can send me a wholesale deal, sellmypaper.com. You're gonna be well on your way on dispoing your first deal. Facebook has a ton of cash buyers too. Then from there, you got your first deal. Hopefully made like 10, 12, 20 grand. And now you're on your way to systematize and start building up, right? Now Now you kind of started making your first little money. Now we're gonna start making big boy checks. And this is really just going out here and systematizing your entire hustle. And good news for you is it's pretty easy to do. Now, outside of this YouTube channel, everyone's gonna tell you need to spend money on a dialer, a CRM, a skip tracing platform, a comping platform, a data platform, and you gotta do all these different things, and a disposition software, and it's gonna cost like $1,000 or $2,000 a month. Let me be honest, that was kind of the case of how wholesaling real estate has always pretty much worked. You'd have to spend thousands of dollars a month just to get any of the good softwares that the top dogs have, and then you're at a disadvantage if you didn't. Well, that's why I made X-Leads. X-Leads is the only all-in-one wholesaling real estate software. Sounds like a commercial, but basically I made X-Leads because I was sick of people overcharging for software, and all these software companies didn't really take my advice. I said, make it all in one and make it for a low price. And they said, that's too expensive. I said, well, why don't you just do it for free? Don't you get like multiples on software companies? And they're like, nah, we're gonna basically milk everyone. So I made my own wholesaling software. It's called X-Leads. It's actually one of the top wholesaling softwares. We have thousands and thousands and thousands of users. And pretty much what it is, it's a CRM, dialer, data, free skip tracing. It's a PPL company too, e-signing, disposition software. It's all for like 97 bucks a month. You get 25,000 free unlimited skip traces, exports, dialer, all that fun stuff. So you pay 97 bucks, then you can pay for some SMS blasting in there. You can pay for the dialer, which is like 40, 50 bucks a month, and you just start going after it, right? It's got a drawing for dollars app, all this stuff. But the point is, you're basically going to be able to double your efficiency, because when you use a dialer and a free skip tracing, you don't have to actually pay for skip tracing. You can just pull a probate list and import it into the software and get it done. Speaking of probates, X-Leads literally has a probate list now, which is real-time probates, by the way, which is the only wholesaling software that actually cracked the code on this. But pretty much you don't even have to pull probates manually anymore, pay for a VA to do this. Now, 89% of probate data is actually hidden, and you actually can't pull the list easily. X-Leads has 99% of markets. So you just pull the probate list, boom, you're done. All skip trace, the heirs, the deceased, the PRs, it's all there for you, and you can start blasting it out. The point is, let's say you made 10 grand your first month wholesaling. Okay, let's text blast 25,000 people this month. You might think, oh my gosh, that's so expensive, Zach, but do you know how much it costs to text blast 25,000 people? On any other wholesaling software, it might be $1,000 to $2,000, but on X-Leads, it's 250 bucks. It's a penny per text. And the point is, on X-Leads, you can actually put your leads into automated follow-ups with AI, and the AI is going to text the seller for you. It's going to follow up for you. It's going to do a lot of the awesome work. And if they are ready to sell, they're going to put it into your actual pipelines and your entire deal board. And it's really, really cool. I don't want to make this X-Leads infomercial, but it's a 100% must. Once you get your first deal, you got to go out here and get X-Leads. Then from there, you're kind of learning, right? You're starting to ramp up your marketing. Might send 25,000 texts or use the triple line dialer we have in X-Leads. And you're going to be really efficient because you have the CRM, which is going to keep you accountable and actually do the auto follow-ups and the auto texts, where you're going to be getting a ton of deals. You're automating your appointments. You're having AI answer the phones for you. They're going to text for you. And pretty much at this point, you're clicking buttons to go send the text out. You're having maybe a VA or two to do your cold call. Maybe you're cold calling yourself. But when someone inbound calls the leads, the AI is already qualifying it, and you have the appointment set. You go in the appointments, you lock up the contracts, you got the e-signing, and you can at minimum get a deal a month doing this, probably 2 deals a month, where you're clearing $25,000, $30,000 a month after 12 months using pretty much just your hustle in the beginning. You buy X-Leads. This is like me going stupid. You're at like $1,000 a month in marketing using X-Leads, right? You're $100 and you're just, let's say you're buying PPL leads inside of X-Leads for $24 a lead. Let's say you're doing all that crazy stuff. But for most people, you're going to spend like $200 or $300 a month to do a deal a month there. And you're going to be well on your way for wholesaling success. You don't need to be spending a lot of money, because a lot of people are like, oh, I got to spend more money. That's why I got to become successful. Like, you're losing the point here. The point is, you're going to go out here and use all of your effort. Go out here and be stupid focused. The reason why you're going to become successful on wholesaling is not because you have a software, right? That your first deal or two, you don't need any of that stuff. The point is, if you can show up every single day, get eyeballs of people who are looking to sell the property, and actually get them to reach out to you, or you reach out to them and they want to sell it, you write up contract, you sell to a cash buyer, boom, you're done like that. I don't ever want to hear someone's excuse of, oh, I don't have X-Leads, that's why I'm not successful. Bro, you go to anybody in ZachDiscord.com, anybody in FreeWholesaling.com, and they all got X-Leads, right? Like, it's one of the top 5 largest wholesaling softwares out there. You're gonna be able to find a ton of people with X leads. X leads, you can just click a button and have AI find all the top buyers for you. So if you're struggling, you can JV somebody inside of my communities that has X leads. All they have to do is just really pop up the address of the property, click buyer match AI, and then the top buyers just pop up right there. They give you the buyers list, boom. You don't even need to struggle dispo anymore. It's solved. So don't complain. There's plenty of people who want to collaborate in this community and collaborate with you in wholesaling real estate for success. Now, after that, maybe we'd start getting some more crazy marketing. We're going to hire VAs, acquisitions managers, and go to the moon, then get to 7 figures and maybe 8 figures like me. But you don't need a decade to get to 6 figures. You don't need to kill yourself doing this either. You don't need to be working 300 hours a week. You need focus, commitment, consistency, and absolute execution. So I don't care what you want to do. Watch this video 10 times. Write your plan down and then follow it like your life is on the line. No, screw it. Your future life is on the line. Your future kid's life's on the line. Your future wife's life is on the line for them being broke or having success and freedom. You know what you got to do. If you don't get the best wholesaling software out there, go to X Leads. But more importantly, if you want to learn wholesaling real estate, join the community, go to freewholesaling.com and make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. We'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.